Hi, we're Holly and Ed, and welcome to our Wonder Life Diary.
Cheers.
We come from a little seaside town in the southeast of England, and we're glad you're here joining us for our van life journey. We hope to share with you some of our experiences and give you a giggle along the way.
In this episode, we're painting and tiling our new kitchen. Let us know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.
Hi guys.
Back at the van and our tiles have arrived. And our new sink. We've got both of these off Facebook Marketplace. I actually love it and think I'm a little bit obsessed, I know. We've had some fails and some bargains. So the tiles have come, they're sticky back. As you can see, they've got quite a bit of texture to them. They're nice and shiny, they're wipeable, and literally you peel off the back and stick it on. Peel and stick.
So it should be quite a nice easy job today. We've got the furry wool up here. So we've got some of this sandpaper and I'm going to have to sand that back. I think we're going to paint orange up here, the same orange that we've got here. And then yeah, tiles down the bottom. So let's get on with it. We've sanded back the furry wall. There's still a little bit, but we're hoping the paint will cover it up a bit. Holly's just painting the top half orange, or granada, as it is, and we've just got a little test pot, haven't we? Show them the pot. They actually go a bit further than you think they are going to.
It was only £1.40 or something, was it?
Bargain.
Bargain.
Second coat's going on. Yeah! And then we're going to get to Thailand.
To Thailand?
To Thailand.
They want you back for good. Just tell me the song and I'll sing it.
Hope you like watching paint dry, guys.
So each sheet isn't actually very thick, but it's got some texture to it. They're literally peely back, so we're gonna try to stick them.
Holly's cut out all these little bits, which is to go along the top up here. So we're just going to stick them on now. Where she's cut them, we've now been left with loads of these little parts. So we're going to use those just to cut out like individual ones we need to patch in sort of down here. And you can see over here, these little bits down the side. These ones. These nuts. Coming together now, the tiles going up. Now we're just doing this little awkward bit around the window.
Oh, come on down an hour. Come turn around. It's not meant to be. When did I put it? I should go in there.
Oh my god.
The wall is done. Not done. So we've managed to get a nice coverage here, and we've deliberated for quite a long time about whether we should go up higher and along. We've got quite a lot left over, so we've decided what we're going to do. We're going to go a bit narrower here and then have a little bit along the top in the hope that that's going to look cool. So here we go. I have to say, if anyone wants to buy any tiles, smart tiles, literally tiling made simple. They're really, really easy to cut and to use, and they actually look really cool. So I would give it a 10 out of 10.